go. Okay, everybody. How do we look? Do we look good?
Good.
Good. Look at that hair. Okay. Okay, so what's up, everybody? My name is Bradley, and this is my girl Cynthia, and we are going to share with you a quick and easy half up, half down hairstyle using Hidden Crown Hair's new ponytail. This is number 4-613, and as you can see, it has a really nice sandy caramely highlight in there, as well as some nice brunette tones. So this is great for anyone with a darker, sun-kissed color. See, there are many various Hidden Crown Hair shades behind me that are all wonderful. So check them out. Hidden Crown Hair link will be here. All right, so this quick and easy hairstyle takes no time at all. Cynthia has an amazing part, so I want to work with that, and all we're going to do is take a horse-shaped section at the top of her head here. It doesn't have to be perfect.
It's a little knotted.
It's not knotted. We're going to edit this part of the video out. So we're going to take a horse-shaped little section at the top of her head here. Nice and easy. And this is the section that we are going to use to create our ponytail. So, as you can tell, she has a nice ponytail, but we're going to enhance it and even add more hair to it to just make it feel nice and full. And I'm going to try it again. She has great hair here, so as you can see, her ponytail already looks amazing, but we're just going to add the Hidden Crown hair piece to make it feel a little thicker and fuller. So my favorite trick, especially if you are trying to blend, maybe your highlights are a little bit of a different shade than the shade of the Hidden Crown, make sure to allow your natural hair color to blend on the very top of the extensions. Super quick and easy way to make sure that they blend in with your natural color. I also would recommend using a root spray or a root conceal powder such as Hidden Crown Hair to make sure that the root is blended. By tapping at the highlights there, you'll be able to make sure that the root is undetectable. After we have taken the horse-shaped parting here, we're going to take it and we are going to secure with a ponytail. Super simple. And we still have this top section here that we are going to let live on the front of her ponytail here. Next, we're going to take our Hidden Crown. As you can see, there's a hook underneath and two bungees on the ends that connect to make the ponytail a full circle. Super simple. All we're going to do, take the center piece here. We're going to pop it in the center and loop it around. Then take the top section here, pull it over top. Working with your fringe. Going to pull up the side section for the perfect blend.
What do you need? A bungee?
Bungee. So once you've taken the hair and gathered it towards the top, we're going to take the bungee, another bungee, this one without any hair around it. We're going to connect it to the back, like so, wrap it around.
That's cute.
Instant hair goals. Alright, so now that we have our ponytail, our half up, half down ponytail in and secured, we are going to do every celebrity hairstylist trick, and we are going to make it so the hairline is perfect using Color Wow. So there's the before, there's the after. Wow.
Yeah. This one's looking a little bald.
It's not bald. You have all of the hair. This is just the best trick. What are some of your favorite other root conceal powders, Cynthia?
Me?
Yeah. Cynthia, what are some of your other favorite powders that you like to use on your clients? We're going to cut this into the video so you can kind of like read it. Cynthia, what other products do you like?
I like Rita Hazan.
Rita Hazan, what's that?
It's like a touch-up spray, root touch-up spray. So
Okay.
it's like more of a spray instead of a powder.
Okay, what do you like about that?
That it's like a lot of pigment right
A lot of
away.
pigment
Yeah.
right away. Great.
So-
So really good for extensions.
Yes. So this I like for like finer sections like this.
Wow.
And then if you want to blend in extensions, I love this spray.
Great. Let's say that one more time. Let me stand in front of. Okay, so what is it that you love about the Rita Hazan?
I love that it has a lot of pigment, so it's good for extensions to cover up like the roots and make it blend with your hair.
Amazing.
And I love the Color Wow for like finer sections, but I love the Rita Hazan if you want to get more pigment and like bigger sections.
Very cool. I'll have to check that out.
Yeah. Cool.
Model it for me. This is your after.
Should I?
Like do like a little, just like, you know, like you do on your little videos, just like